Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Hello guys, you are welcome to Tech Solution Hub YouTube channel. In this brief tutorial, I'll be showing you how to have access to all the list of the apps that their update is available on Google Play Store. If this will be the first time that you are watching our tutorial, please do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, drop your comment, and share our content with people. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the demonstration. Let me locate my Google Play Store app and open it.
Play Store. Mobile Play Store.
After opening the Google Play Store app, you place your finger at the top of the screen by the right. You hear something like this.
Signed in as Muti91 at gmail.com account and settings.
It's going to mention your own name like this as you have added. So if you don't have access to this on your screen, you could see account settings here instead of having something at gmail.com. So if you see account settings, you click on it. If you see your address name as well, you can click on it. So I'll be clicking on my address.
Account and settings.
So here, account and settings. Let's swipe right.
Close button. Signed in as Muti91 at gmail.com. Expand account list. Change profile picture. Manage your Google account button.
So after manage your Google account, there is
Manage apps and device.
So you click on this manage apps and device.
Play Store.
So we will be swiping right again.
No harmful apps found. Play Protect scan 1 hour ago.
Let's keep swiping right.
Updates available. 19 updates pending.
So which means I have 19 updates pending on my phone here. If you want to update all, you swipe right.
Update all.
This is update all button. But if you would not like to update everything, you want to select the one that you want to update. You swipe to your left again.
Updates available. 19 updates pending.
So you click on this. By swiping right now, we'll be able to have access to all the apps that their update is available. Let's swipe.
Acapella TTS Voices 7.7 megabytes updated on July 17th.
The first one that I have here is Acapella TTS. So, and it tells us the date that they make this update available. So let's swipe right.
Expand button.
You click on this expand if you want to read what's new in the latest version of the app. Let's click on it.
Collapse button.
Then we swipe left again.
Acapella TTS Voices 7.7 megabytes updated on July 17th with new minor fixes.
So what's new there is just the minor fixes.
Collapse button.
Let's collapse again.
Expand button.
So we now have expand. So let's swipe right.
Update.
This is the update button. You can update it here, or
Acapella TTS Voices 7.7 megabytes updated on July 17th.
You click on the app like this. Let's swipe right.
Acapella TTS Voices in-app purchases. Acapella TTS Voices. Acapella Group SA. In-app purchases. Uninstall.
This is uninstall.
Update.
and this is updates. You can also update it from here. So this is how you can update the app on your phone via Google Play Store. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.
Before you go, subscribe to Tech Solutions Hub for more useful contents like this.